Hello, my name is Jason from Fox Tree Creations, where we strive to bring the best leather and laser engraving products straight to you. This is my first video, and let me introduce myself a little bit. I've been doing leather work for a couple of years, and then I found a laser, and I found out it's pretty much a lot of fun too. The problem is here recently I've been having some issues with doing the hand stitching. It's gotten really tricky for me due to personal issues. And so I needed an industrial sewing machine. But I really don't have the space to provide myself with one of those big machines. And so I started looking for something that I could use that was smaller, a little more portable. I started doing some research, and some people said use a Singer heavy duty, and it just wasn't gonna do the kind of leather that I use, because I prefer to use veg tan, thicker leather, a little stiffer, and so it won't handle the stiff stuff. You need an industrial machine for that. And so after a lot of research, I found the best machine for me. Now this is of course just my opinions, but it's completely portable and it's great. And it's called the Ultra Feed from Sailrite. And today we're gonna unbox it. And we're gonna put it all together and we're gonna take a look at it. Now, I'm not gonna do any sewing in this video. That'll be on my next one. But we'll go ahead and start and see what we do, okay? So, let's go ahead and start unboxing this massive thing. Now, this big box, let's keep in mind it weighs about 65 pounds. And so we're going to go ahead and start cutting open this box just to see what's in it. Now imagine that. Even more boxes. So let's take a look at this first one here. And this contains all of our books, power cords and such. Alright, I believe this may be the actual sewing machine itself. Let's take a look here. this must be the case. All right. So we have the case. And we have the sewing machine. Bag of tools. And there is the sewing machine. Oil. Thingamajigs. Plug in. And it looks like some thread. So, we have everything we need. Let's see if after a little bit of video magic, we can get this thing put together. Let's see here. One, two, three. And there it is. Look at that. This new sewing machine. All pretty. Now I did get a few extras. If you look here on the end here, I don't know if you can tell, but I went ahead and I got a speed reducer. The reason I did that is because with leather you want to sew a little extra slow. So I went ahead and I got the speed reducer, which cut the speed down to half. It was great. Something else I decided to purchase is this right here. This is their leather accessory kit packaged up. So let's go ahead and open this too while we're at it. Let's see what's inside. Some more thread. Size, where is it? This is 92 white. 92 black. This should be 69 white. And this is 69 black. New scratch all. A thread zapper. I won't have to use my lighter anymore. Size 18 needle. Leather 18 needles. 10 of them. Extra feet. because this is a rough stepping foot. These are smooth, so it won't scar up your leather. Some more feet. Size 22 sewing needles, 10 of them. Size 18. Thought I already had 18. No, these are 19s. Sorry. 19, 18. Size 20s. All my feet, my needles, some leather clips, so I won't scratch up my leather whenever I'm using my clips. Oh, and a swing gauge. So it should swing right down to where I can gauge how far away I am whenever I'm stitching. And those are all the things that come with the leatherwork accessory pack. So all together, this machine, it cost me around $1,600 with everything that I got. So it's probably about the same price as some of those lighter weight industrial machines. I don't mean lighter weight, just a big table sewing machine. But this one's more maneuverable for me because I have a lot of limited space, so I don't have the ability to use one of those big machines right now. So I went ahead and went with this one. I felt like it's a good starter machine. From everything I've heard, there's not much limitation other than the amount that you can get under here. So I don't think I'm going to be very disappointed in the fact like it won't sew through. I think I might get a little disappointed on how thick it'll sew. It might not fit under there. So I'm probably, some of my bigger stuff I might still do some hand stitching, I don't know. But for the most part, I think this is going to be a good purchase. So my next video will probably be me using the machine, showing you what I think, and just discussing it. So hey, if you like what you see, click like, subscribe, be sure to subscribe. It just doesn't take much, help me get up there in the list, and we'll see what we can do, okay? So until next time, this is Jason, Fox Street Creations. Thank you.